Have you ever encountered a situation like this? A metal surface covered in grease, dirt, stubborn adhesive residue, or oxide buildup, not only ruining its appearance but also compromising product quality. Take a closer look. Layers of hardened, adhesive and stubborn oxide patches cling tightly, forming a tough layer that's difficult to remove using conventional methods. The optimal solution is JIT CO cleaning technology. Dry CO is sprayed at high pressure, penetrating every corner to break the bond between contaminants and the metal surface. You can see stubborn dirt, grease, and oxide easily lifting away, without the need for intense scrubbing or harsh chemicals. Look at this clear difference. The untreated side is still covered in grime, while the side cleaned with JIT CO machine is spotless and polished without a single scratch. Thank you for watching the video. Please contact us for consultation.